Bullying is hurting me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm Zara. Welcome back to English Corner. In this occasion, I will talk about bullying. Nowadays, bullying is frequently occurs, especially among children. I am very sad to hear that. There are some kinds of bullying: physical bullying, verbal bullying, social bullying, and cyberbullying. The example of physical bullying are hitting, pushing, pinching, and other physical abuse. Verbal bullying are name-calling and insulting. Social bullying are humiliating and spreading rumors. Cyberbullying is bullying using smartphones and computers, such as sending hurtful messages. Do you know there are some effects of bullying? Children who experience bullying can be afraid to go to school. It can decrease their academic achievements. So friends, please don't bully other people. Remember, we are sisters and brothers. Let's love each other, don't hurt each other. Okay friends, thank you for listening to me and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.